you need to clean your past.
Yeah.
Because if there's any type of debris, any type of weight still lingering inside of our own life, you can't move on. You cannot move on in a clear and clean way. So ultimately, the way to self-mastery, the self-assessment, the self-observation, with what aim? To clean yourself from the roles that you started creating in this lifetime. To clean yourself from the identity you started investing so much effort and energy in order to maintain it. And all of this taken together, meaning in a way also, in the moment you understand what is your source and what is your essence, the view on this world becomes different. The way of how you live your life, the way how you interact with people in this lifetime starts to tremendously